Cloud computing is a very compelling model for managing IT resources. However, there are two issues such as privacy and security which are causing concerns in the minds of people before they move on to cloud computing platform. Privacy issue deals with the protection and appropriate use of personal data. As a part of our activities on cloud computing platform, a user shares lot many data related to his personal as well as his professional life. The first question that is raised in the mind of a user is how does my data is protected in the cloud environment, because my data is stored in data center which are remote and on which I do not have a control. The second question which rises in the mind is how is my data is used by the cloud provider. Is it that only it is used for the reasons which have been told to me, or will it be used for purposes which is not told to me? For example, will somebody sell my data for a commercial gain? So in this context, the following issues are on the top of the mind of a user. Notification and redress. Notification about privacy breaches and determining who is at fault. For example, I have stored my personal data, and is there any way in which I can be given guarantee that nobody will be having access to it? And in case somebody have an access, that if there is a breach, will the company will inform me about such a breach? Secondly, unauthorized secondary usage. Is there any possibility that the company or the cloud service provider whom I am actually sharing my data will use my data for commercial gains? For example, it may sell my email ID to somebody so that they would use it for a marketing campaign. Regulatory compliance complexity. Different laws may be applying depending on where the data is stored in multiple data centers replicated across legal jurisdiction. See, as I told you in the earlier presentations, data centers are the central entity for cloud computing, and many a times people who are using this in a particular country may not have a data center by that company in that country at all. For example, Google or even Microsoft will not have, do not have a cloud computing data center in India. And what would happen to our data whenever it is stored in another country? Trans-border data flow restrictions. Many of the European and American countries restrict the cloud service provider not to move data out of their country. For example, European countries such as Germany and all have made it clear to the companies, cloud computing companies, that the data which is generated or given by the citizens of Germany should stay within the geographical boundaries of Germany. Legal uncertainty. Users can refuse personally identified data to be used for marketing purpose. For example, I don't mind sharing my data without actually mentioning my name, but will that guarantee given by the service provider? We are not sure. Okay, so these are the certain issues which are at the top of the mind of a user before he is using cloud computing, or even one is using cloud computing resource.